And that's the wrap.
Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
A bit of coconut oil. I think that pan's ready for some scallops.
They have one request of a West Sider, and that is seafood.
Show up with seafood or just don't show up at all.
It's a fact. Tasty deal. Oh!
So what we got here tonight is some bay scallops. Bay scallops are a good size. Sea scallops, they're a big, thicker size, and diameter is about inch to inch and a half for comparison.
We want to be sea scallops, but unfortunately most of us are just born bay scallops.
I think you just Wikipedia'd that.
So a good bay scallop is tender. Sea scallops are slightly bigger and don't carry the punch of a typical bay scallop. So pan-fried coconut oil, salt, pepper, that's all you need. And when the meat's done, it's going to look white on the inside. Wow, everyone's one distinguishing bay scallop.
You did Wikipedia it!
Sea scallops. Sea scallops are larger than bay scallops. Time for bed, guys. Time for bed.
Time for bed for the next 48 minutes.
Forgot what it's like waking up in the morning early. Coffee's done. Scotty got up early and did the Lord's work. It's time to go find some ducks.
No, I mean we're not just like seeing them swarming all over the place right now. Like I do feel like we are just set so nice. This is such a comfortable blind. If we have few and far between and we shoot well, I mean I'll take that.
Yeah.
With this kind of comfort.
Yeah, I'm curious how my gun shoots. But then again, I gotta see a bird to be able to shoot it.
What grain bullets you got loaded in there?
20 gauge.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Another 12 gauge?
Yeah.
I got a 20 gauge shot in there, a 410, and then my third shot's a 12. So if I have to rely on my third shot, at least I'm pretty dialed in with it.
There are almost too many birds in that.
Way to get a piece of it, Blake.
Yeah, you gotta get out there and get some.
Yeah, to be honest, did you just close your eyes and pull the trigger, or were you aiming at a specific duck?
Not sure. Nice
Solid,
job.
dude.
Nice work.
That was sick.
That turned out perfect. Right where you wanted those ducks.
That's what we want right there.
That was beautiful.
Nice little flights of billies though. Holy crap.
This one's for you, Coop.
I might have to try the other half of that bagel.
That's my top.
Oh.
See this? This is fine duck dining. Look at this. Smoked salmon. Everything available.
All right, well, Blake and I each just dumped a greenhead, and as nasty as that looks, mine dropped dead over here, and we went and retrieved Blake's duck, and it took us about 10 minutes to get here, and we kicked a hawk up as we were coming in, and he was already working on this bird. He is his pluck site right here. That's pretty rad.
Nature.
Yep. Cool.
That is wild. Send it down. Yeah. Wow! What the hell? I ain't giving up filming it. I was like, nah.